Hello everyone, so this is class 1, another rhyme that is Five Little Monkeys. So let us sing together. Five little monkeys jumping on a tree. One fell down and bumped in his knee. Ah, ah, ah. Five little monkeys jumping on a tree. One fell down and bumped in his knee. Ah, ah, ah. Four little monkeys jumping on a tree. One fell down and bumped his knee. Ah, ah. Three little monkeys jumping on a tree. One fell down, bumped his knee. Oh. Two little monkeys jumping on a tree. One fell down and bumped his knee. Oh. One little monkey jumping on a tree. One fell down and bumped his knee. Oh. Now no more monkeys jumping on a tree. Each of them is holding his knee. So इसमें क्या करा है, एक एक करके टोटल देवर 5 monkeys. ओके, कितने मंकी थे? 5 मंकी. आप काउंट भी कर सकते हो. इस पिक्चर में एक एक गिरता गया और उनके नी पे क्या लगती गई? चोट लगती गई. ठीक है, और सब चिल्लाते रहे आ. सबको पेन हो रहा था ना. जब आपको पेन होता है तो आप कैसे करते हो? आप मुझे कमेंट में बताओगे. ठीक है. Now there are some sight word also and new word also. So let us read out. So each is and and. These are the sight words. New words 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are numbers you all know. Little मतलब छोटा, fell मतलब गिरना, bump मतलब जैसे उसके घुटने पे बम्प हो जाता है. उसके बाद है okay, holding means पकड़ना. So thank you so much everyone. Like, share and subscribe my channel.